Hello friends, today I want to show you how to use quiet mode on Facebook. First of all, open your Facebook app. Next step, on bottom, click right corner to three lines. Next step, scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. And here, tap your time on Facebook. Next step, scroll and tap Manager your time and tap See Tools. Okay, you can quickly turn on quiet mode and schedule quiet mode. First of all, we click quiet mode, tap here, choose day, hours and minutes for 1 day and 1 hour. We tap apply. And now we can click schedule quiet mode, tap here to enable. Okay, now we choose days and what day you want to disable and of course disable your notification and using your Facebook app time to when start in 10 p.m. and finish and sometime in 8 a.m. Tap apply, choose days, and now go back. As you can see, every day from 10 p.m. to 8 a.m. Is quiet mode, and we not used Facebook. Okay, if you close now this mode, close app and again open Facebook, you can see now it's quiet mode 1 day and 0 hours. Okay, to disable quietly mode, tap manager quiet mode. You can end quiet mode, you can use for 15 minutes and tap edit settings to change your quiet mode settings. If you want enable disable, we tap end quiet mode, and of course you can use all your Facebook app. Friends, thanks for watching. I hope the video was useful to you. Support me by subscribing to channel. It is not difficult for you, but for me it's very important. Also like this video.